So you've been looking to get into tech? Here are 5 steps you should follow. Start by identifying what you want to do. Tech can be so many things. Find what interests you. Get trained. Train at a premium place like Twin Institute. Build practical experience. The tech world is all about experience, and even if you're just getting started, you must be able to showcase the skills that you already have. This is also where you get trained gets to matter, because practical training is very different from theory-based training. Network. Engage. You need to relate with people in the community. You definitely want to be among people who have the same interests. And finally, look for internships or entry-level jobs. You will get experience and you will get something to put on your CV. So, what's stopping you?